Hey guys, I had to go live. We got a major update on on the traditional market. We had a ridiculously large volume spike to the downside. Um, it might reverse just as fast as it went up. It's looking like, but I mean, it could just really quick just chop right back up. I don't think that's gonna happen. It could. Might just come to this level right here, test it. But overall, it's not that big of a move. But when you consider where it could go, this is going up, this is going down. It's probably gonna go to the back towards the top of this channel again before it slams down again. It's gonna try and work its way back up there. Probably go kind of sideways upwards at an angle maybe, or maybe not. Maybe it'll just go straight down and go to this um, level here. Might go sideways a little bit and then go down. Could do any or all the above, right? This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. But price is about to come down hard. Um, it's gonna go below. If it has this type of momentum towards the downside, this type of bearish momentum right now, um, then yeah, you know, even if it even if it doesn't go back up, I'm expecting us to test this line right here. Um, and what is that? That's what is it? It's a 3% move. And then if you go down to the liquidation area, it's another percent there, and there's another liquidation area here, and I think it's probably gonna get there because it's coming down pretty aggressively compared to this orange line, which is going up. So I mean, I'm thinking maybe it's gonna come crashing down, maybe to like around here. And if it breaks below that, then yeah, it's just a question of when are we gonna see this purple line switch its direction, right? When are we gonna see this purple line go up here and then start to curve and start to go down, and then price start to go back up against it? Because right now that's yeah, it's let's look at the S&P. Um, yeah, same deal. Oh man, yeah. So it's about to close below the purple line on the S&P. So yeah, and it's below this bottom channel on the S&P. So we might just test this area here and come back down, or we might just keep going down. Um, I would be I would be getting ready to short. I think that's what I'm about to do actually. I think I'm gonna short. This is the symbol SQQQ. It's a 3x leverage token against the Nasdaq. So um, when you buy this token, if the Nasdaq goes down 1%, this token or this coin or index, that's what it is. It's an index. It goes up 3%. So I'm about to invest. I'm about to make a trade here. Um, yeah, I think that the Nasdaq and the S&P, the traditional markets, are going down definitely. So I'm gonna make that trade after I get off this stream. After I'm done making the stream, and hey, look, we got our correction here. That's what we were looking for. All right, so we're testing right now this level of support. Um, you know, we're flushing out the scared money in the market. There's people that, like I said, they potentially have their stops in this red area, in this red zone, and they're they're getting liquidated. And then once we retest, and reestablish support, hopefully we'll shoot way above this yellow line and then make our way towards 130K. So I'm still holding my crypto. Um, Again, this is not financial advice, not a financial advisor, not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Um, this is just for entertainment purposes only. So, um, yeah, I would keep holding your crypto. You know, I mean that's what I'm doing. Um, I mean you don't have to do what I'm doing. You do your own research. You know, you make wise decisions and try to discern for yourself what sound investment advice is. But that's what I'm doing. Anyways, I digress. Um, yeah, we're retesting this level of support right here, or establishing this as a level of support. And then once we do that and we close above, um, we might just do some more sideways action within this zone. Um, but we're potentially looking to break above that that green line, because we're already seeing like a trend line that's super super small, right? Because it's like what, 4 or 5 candles or 3 candles, right, or whatever. But if I go into like the 15-minute, you'll see that it's a lot cleaner there. And yeah, I'll just adjust it a little bit. But I mean that we don't really need. I mean we can see the trend without the line there. I mean we know it's there, right? So yeah, I guess the question is, are we gonna stay above this green line here? And I'm on the 15-minute, right? And really, you don't really want to trade the 15-minute. Lowest you'd really want to go is like the hourly. But that's if you're a beginner. If you've been trading for a while, you do what you want. You basically. But if you're a beginner, you do what you want anyway. I was just saying, like, if you're a beginner, like, this is sound educational material. Again, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Entertainment purposes only, right? Okay. All right, that's the live. I'm gonna end the live now and make that trade and yeah, invest some money into shorting the Nasdaq. Oh yeah, uh, I'm not gonna short it using leverage. This ticker, this symbol SQQQ. This is a leveraged. The leverage is built in, so you don't have to borrow any margin. That's the one exception I would say. When you're shorting, you'd want to short a leveraged token or a leveraged asset. You don't want to borrow money in order to uh, make a leverage trade. You want to make sure that the index or the asset or the token or coin or whatever is already leveraged, like the leverage is built into the token. So even if this goes down, right, I'm not going to get liquidated. So that's the key. So I'm going to go ahead and make that trade right now. I'll see you guys on the next one.